Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Han Phan. In this video, I'm going to show you loop and list in Python. Loop allows repetition of a block of code multiple times. This is a for loop in range 2, means I'm starting from 0 and 1, looping 2 times. Indentation is important in Python. It is to indicate a new block of code. This is the output of that for loop. Lists in Python have to keep multiple items using just one variable. For example, this lists fruits, keeping 3 items: apple, orange, and kiwi. The list items can be accessed using index starting from 0, 0, 1, and 2 for the apple, orange, and kiwi. Apple, orange, and kiwi. Loop is normally used to go through the items in the list as well. For fruit in fruits, print fruit. Apple, orange, and kiwi. That's it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one. Goodbye.